Ready to start or move forward in your career? An exciting future can be found through our Administration of Justice program. Our program focuses on the principles, theories, and practices of law enforcement, courts, corrections, and other aspects of the criminal justice system. We've developed a strong and balanced curriculum that prepares students to engage at local, state, and federal levels. We prepare students to become police officers, federal agents, crime lab technicians, and even lawyers. You can earn certificates, associate degrees, or degrees for transfer to set you up for success at four-year colleges and universities. Cypress College is an Aspen Prize Top 150 U.S. community college and an equity champion of higher education for Latinx students with other national and state recognitions. Whether you're embarking on your first career, enhancing your professional knowledge, or making a move to a new field, you can build your future here. Start today at careers.cypresscollege.edu to begin your journey.